Hello everyone. What I'm about to explain comes from everything we've learned over the past 10 years working in our repair shop. Error 4 appears when the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra detects that one or more cliff sensors aren't reading the floor correctly. Simply put, these are the sensors underneath the robot that keep it from falling downstairs. If one of them sends an incorrect reading, the robot stops as a safety precaution. At our shop, we constantly hear customers say things like, I don't even have stairs, but I still get error 4. Or it starts cleaning, then suddenly stops. In most cases, that doesn't mean the sensor is defective. More often than not, the problem is dust, lint, fingerprints, dirt buildup, or even moisture blocking the sensor's reading. That's why the first thing we recommend is carefully cleaning all 4 cliff sensors with a microfiber cloth and then restarting the robot. If the error is still there after cleaning, the next step is to check the type of flooring. Some customers tell us the robot only has problems on black carpets or highly reflective floors. That's because the infrared sensors can mistake those surfaces for a drop-off, even when the floor is perfectly flat. If the problem continues, we start suspecting a sensor that has been knocked out of alignment, a loose internal connection, or a faulty sensor. At that point, a software update usually won't solve the issue. Roborock recommends cleaning the sensors, checking the surface where the robot is operating, and if error 4 still doesn't go away, taking it to an authorized service center or a qualified repair shop to inspect the robot and replace the faulty sensor if necessary.